Hello and welcome to today's lesson on sequential text structure. Lesson number 2 is about finding key details. So this lesson is for people who already know a little bit about sequential text structure, but are trying to learn how to best read it, use it, love it in your daily life. So sequential text structure, just as a reminder, is when you put events in the order that they actually happened. So our example might be, when I first woke up this morning, I heard the sound of my sister yelling. I turned off my phone alarm and yawned. Next, I washed my face and brushed my teeth. Then I got dressed and quickly picked up a bag of Takis for my snack. At 7:45 a.m., I walked out of the door so that I could get to school on time. So how does this break down? Well, we know that this is sequential because of the key words that are used in this text. See the words first, next, then, and even a time, 7:45 a.m. So I know that this is talking about different times and a sequence of events happening over time. So when you organize sequential text, you break it down in organizers that look something like this, with different arrows pointing to each event in the series. Starting with waking up to your sister yelling, moving on to washing your face, then getting dressed, and finally walking to school for this example that we've been going over. So now it's your turn. You're going to look at some examples of sequential text, and you're going to figure out how to break them down into the different steps. So example number 1. Wilbur and Orville Wright, the Wright brothers, invented and built the first powered airplane. Orville flew this airplane on December 17th. 1903. The Wrights continued to experiment with airplanes until well after 1903. In 1908, Wilbur went to France and continued to make many flights, while Orville continued in the United States. Example number 2. Harry Houdini was born in Hungary in 1874 and moved to Wisconsin when he was 4 years old. As a young boy, he became captivated by magic when he saw a magician perform. Harry directed his energy to becoming a magician, but some of his first shows were a flop. After 5 years, he almost gave it up. Thank you for listening, and good luck with creating your first sequential writing.